In this video I will explain to you how you can post your template on CapCut. Logging in into your CapCut and then selecting the video that you have just edited and added some effects. So I'm gonna click on my video, which is right here. After clicking on it and adding your effects, or if you have previously added some effects and you're ready to post it, you can click on the top right, which is the arrow, and that way you're saying that you're ready to export it. After selecting it, it will load for a couple of seconds, and when it reaches 100%, it will be ready for exporting. And after it finishes loading, you will see the screen that it says share on TikTok, and below share on TikTok you should see another button that should be saying post as a template. But in order to have this option available for you, you need to be regular or a pro editor. And in order to become regular or pro editor, you need to edit regularly. And then you'll get promoted by CapCut, and then you'll be able to share your templates.